Hi everyone! What I'm going to share in this video is yung house ng friend ko that she built here in the province. And we're going to answer yung question on the first part of the video kung saan aabot ang 100,000 mo if ever you have that money and you're planning to build a house, an apartment, a pets, or whatever thing you have. So this is located here in the province of Cebu. So it's totally different yung expenses sa city at saka sa province. It's also very different here in the province because everything is fresh, the ambience is very nice, and it feels cozy and relaxing. Kaya lang if you have your work in the city, of course it's totally different naman. Kasi dito sa province, mahirap talaga kung walang trabaho. Tapos, you just depend on your farm or whatever you have. And if you need enough money for some very important thing, you really need to have a job. So, much of the people here are also working somewhere in Manila, in the city, or abroad. So, andito na tayo sa house ng friend ko. So, ngayon, I'm going to give you a tour around of their house with an estimate cost of the materials or yung mga prices na nagastos nila sa portion ng kanilang house. And disclaimer lang po, I'm not an engineer or a contractor. I'm not expert po. Estimate lang po yung sa akin. So much better you have to consult your panday, yung mga foreman or mga engineer. So yung tiles nila, yung gastos nila, mga nasa 30,000 including labor. Tapos yung sofa nila cost 40,000. Tapos ito namang electric fan nila sa sala cost mga 5,000. So dito naman tayo sa loob ng kanilang room. They have this bed na queen size which cost mga 5,000. And they also have another extra foam in case meron silang mga bisita na pwedeng patulogin dito sa sala.
Nag-vlog na ko.
Tapos itong kitchen nila, they have this lababo, siguro mga 2,000. Tapos ito namang mga tiles nila sa lababo, I think mga 2,000 plus labor, mga 3,000. And then they have this fully furnished CR. Yung kanilang bowl, mga nasa 7,000. Set na yon including the curtain rod, yung shower na hot and cold cost 3,000. Tapos it's fully furnished with tiles. Siguro mga nasa ipagpalagay na lang natin na nasa 15,000. Tapos may septic tank sa likod na that cost mga 40,000.
Ako, ilisa na po itong steel.
Okay? So, ito yung kanilang kitchen. Maliit lang siya. They have this table na pagpalagay na lang natin na cost 2,000. Tapos dito kasi sa probinsya, it's very different. It's nice kung meron kayong space or malaking area kasi anytime, if may extra budget ka, gagawa ka dito ng extra room or dirty kitchen or anything that you wanted to do, you can have your domesticated animals also in the backyard. So, pwede kang magkaroon ng iba't ibang pangkabuhayan showcase dito. Yung door nila na 3 piraso, the room, the sala, and the kitchen, siguro nasa 3,000 na yan ngayon. So, they have this foam, balik tayo dito sa kwarto. So, that's it. Tapos, yung roof nila, mga 50,000. So, and this house is made up of half cement and half hardiflex. So, let's just say, yung cement nila cost mga 40,000. Tapos yung hardiflex is 40,000. Tapos yung glass sa window at saka on this side, mga cost 40,000. Tapos yung kisame nila, let's say 40,000. And then yung roof nila, siguro mga 50,000 excluding labor. Basta yung sinabi ng friend ko, yung mga expenses nila dito lahat cost around 700,000. So, kayo nang mag-adjust guys kung gaano kalaki or anong materials yung gagawin nyo para makabuo kayo ng bahay na ganito. Or you just have to slowly make it depending on your budget. until such time na maporma niya siya na pwedeng tirahan. And hindi ko pa naisali yung kuryente at saka yung tubig, yung mga wirings, yung mga piping, kung gaano, magkano siya. So, I think that's all for this video. Sana may natutunan kayo ulit. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.
1,000 pesos.
And please don't forget to support my family's YouTube channel by subscribing the red button down below. So, karon pa ulit na mi. Nya mo ni siya ang amo agian. Cemented road going to the mountain. And it's very quiet and peaceful here. Bye, Kulase.